Business.
Well, actually, it's business that's none of your business.
It's 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 none of your business.
None of your business.
It's none of your business.
None of your business.
It's none of your business.
None of your business.
All right, let's not beat around the bush.
Well, beat around the bush.
Let's not beat around the bush. Brad.
Don't beat around the bush, Leonard.
Wendy, I don't want to beat around the bush. I won't beat around the bush.
If you want a favor, don't beat around the bush. Just curtsy.
Okay, let's not beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush, my...
You're not fake nice and you don't beat around the bush.
Will, you don't have to beat around the bush.
You don't have to beat around the bush, Leela. We all know who you're talking.
Easier said than done.
Easier said than done, Monarchy boy.
Easier said than done.
Easier said than done.
Easier said than done. Easier said than done.
Don't have to tell me twice.
Okay, there, bowing. Don't have to tell me twice.
Well, you don't have to tell me twice.
Well, you don't have to tell me twice.
Oh, really?
You don't have to tell me twice.
You don't gotta tell me twice.
You don't have to ask me twice.
You don't have to tell me twice.
Tell me twice. You want me to go?
You don't have to tell me twice.
All right, that's the last straw.
George, this is the last straw.
Oh, now that's the last.
Okay, that's the last straw.
All right, that's the last straw.
That is the last straw.
That's it. That's the last straw.
Again, that's the last straw.
Jimmy, that's the last straw.
That is the last straw.
That's the last straw, Randall.
That's the last straw. That was the last straw. You guys are too nice.
The last straw.
This is the last straw.
This is the last straw.
This is the last straw.
𝗘𝗴𝗶𝗁𝗆.
Please don't give up on me, you know?
Don't give up on me now, Dean.
Don't give up on me, Dad.
Don't give up on me, sister.
Don't you give up on me.
Don't give up on me. Don't give up on me.
Don't you give up on me.
Alternatively, goodbye forever.
Goodbye forever.
Goodbye.
Bye forever, Mitch.
If you think
Bye forever.
Hang on. Listen. I love the music.
That's why I'm always gonna love you.
I love you too, babe. I'm always gonna love you.
I'm always gonna love you, too.
I'm always gonna love you.
Anywhere, I'm always gonna love you.
I'm always gonna love you.
I'm always gonna love you.
I don't love you anymore. Goodbye.
I'm not leaving here, Carmela.
I don't love you anymore.
Because I don't love you anymore.
I don't love you anymore, Jordan.
I don't love you anymore.
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 If you want to just leave, we can.
Look, you can leave if you want to.
You want to leave? I can't.
You want to leave, I can't stop you.
The building.